Right, you can see here a solid form, and it's like a solid wood, and the canvas, it's the permanent one, and I'm going to do the acrylic paint on top. So this is some pre-made. You can see the grass in the bottom and the sky and branches of trees. These are the leaves. Now I'm going to take the color black and put the whole drawing in a single presentations. So let's connect the whole thing in a single frame. So I'm going to draw the trees here. Okay, so the branch is going to come here like this, and this branch meet up here. Okay, let's connect this one. Also, this is going to be from the very bottom, and connection points are two. Okay, and the joints are going to be the little thinner. Okay, all right. Okay, so you can see the tree here, and for a 3D effect, just we're going to add some white color on one side to show the nice visualizations. Okay, again we're going to add the white color in this side. Okay, so the branches are pretty much good. Now we're going to draw the birds which is flying in the sky. Okay, so maybe we're going to show it on top. All right, there's the one. Then I'm going to paint the next one. And also I'm going to paint the other one. So three of them are flying in the sky. Going to put few grasses in the bottom. I'm doing the details. Awesome, looks good. Few strokes on this side. to put the emphasis on the depth of the shadow. Okay, and lastly I'm going to put a moon in the sky. So there's the full presentations in the frame, and maybe we're putting some white shades on the top of the tree. Okay, here. Awesome. So this is the very simple and solid paint. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good day.